Good morning, ROC. My name is Mr. Henzo. I am the Dean of Students here at ROC. This week we will have a few items on the weekly bulletin. So let's get started. All right, wardrobe change. Blue, which just wasn't my color. So let's get this week started. Today we have open house later on this evening from 6 to 6:30. This will be for both our AM and PM student and families. It's a great opportunity for your family to see the programs, visit ROC, meet your instructors, and get a better idea of what you'll be working on this upcoming year. All right, so and also coming up tomorrow is going to be our fall safety drill. So we're going to be doing a lockdown and evacuation drill. Majority of our classrooms will be coming out, evacuating up to the very front of the school, out here in the parking lot. Some of our classrooms will be out there in the farm as well as the adult school side as well. So check in with your teacher to see where your classroom will be evacuating to. So get ready for that tomorrow for our fall safety drill. Then this upcoming Thursday, Kern Learn will be here on campus in the Student Success Center. Miss Sandoval will be here to support all of our Kern Learn students. So during your break times, stop by the Student Success Center here and get further support in your Kern Learn classes. And finally, we're ending the week with a good one. Friday the 28th, we will have student kickoff over in our Ag Pavilion. It's a great way for students to meet each other, kick the school year off with a fantastic activity. So come on, we'll make our way over to the Ag Pavilion. All right, so now that we are here at the Ag Pavilion, this is the location of where we'll be having our student kickoff at the end of the week on Friday. Here's what you'll get to see, the different instructors from all the different programs, all at ROC, along with other activities we'll have throughout the year. So that concludes this week's video. Thank you for joining me. I tried something a little bit different this week with holding the microphone instead of putting it on the shirt. Tell me if you guys can hear a difference. If you do, let me know this week, and we can definitely tweak this up as we go on. So I appreciate you guys joining in, and tune us in for next week.